see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
Good morning. Hi, ang kanya naman. Ito yung aking pati. So, eto the bike out. Ayan. Ito yung kay Chan. Okay. Good morning, guys. Dito si Dad tsaka si Hunter. And, ayan yung breakfast nila. Yung mga bata, kumain na rin eh. Kanina. Why you have Vegemite and peanut butter, huh?
Mixture.
Yuck. Good morning. Dito si Hunt. Yes. Lalaba ko ng bedsheets namin. And umalis na si Dad. Tapos si Hunter, dito siya mag-stay isang araw. Mag-sleep over ba dito? Maglaba muna ako. Oops, may naiwan akong isa. Nailagay ko na yung bedsheets. Ngayon, isiset ko siya sa number 12. Ayan. Bed and bath. Number 12. So, 2 hours, matagal-tagal to kasi white siya. At saka beddings kasi. Ayan, magkabaril-barila na sila dito sa loob. Why don't you go out? Ha? Galing na sila kasi kanina sa labas eh. Tignan mo si Holly, oh. Baril-barila na rin yung nilalaro niya. Kagaling lang ni dyan sa shed and... No, I'm not gonna open that yet, honey. No! May mga package ako dito na. Tingnan mo. No, not yet.
This one's a heavy one. I want to
Yeah, I have no time yet.
Just a little hole.
Ah. Don't open it, hon.
Yeah.
Ay, bino. Don't open it. Ang kulit naman ito.
Sorry, Ma.
Lola.
Lola. Kasi yung mga kinuha ko. Pag may time na ako, saka ko sila i-unbox. Isabay ko sa mga darating na vlogs. Kasi marami talaga dito mga package. And meron pa, Han. I have another one. Or another to ata. Nung isang araw to dumating, yung bago kayo pumunta ng Adelaide. Kaya nung kasi hindi ko alam na pupunta kami ng Adelaide. So nag-shopping na ako online. Tapos ito naman si John, 'di ba? Bigla kami pumunta ng Adelaide. Kaya nung pumunta kami sa Harbour Town, hindi ako masyado nag-shopping kasi nakapag-shopping na ako online. And ayan. Marami akong boxes talaga dito. Maraming package na bubuksan. So, one day, magbubukas ako ng mga package. Isabay ko na lang sa mga darating ang vlogs. Pero ngayon, ang aking plano ay tanggalin natin yung eto ba? Christmas tree.
Yeah, play that down. I'll take that in later.
Huh?
I'll take all that in later when you pack it all up.
Yeah. Ito, ang laki nito, oh. Meron pa tong kasunod, eh.
Fresh. It's not.
2 parcel daw to, eh. Nung inimal nila ako, 2 parcel daw, sineparate nila. Kasi, ito yung pinakamabigat, sabi ni Jan. Ayan. Okay. Hoy! Naghahalutan na naman kayo. Eh, nandito pa yung mga iba na nabili ko. May Joe Malone, tapos yung sa Lima and Coke. Andiyan pa rin. Wala pa akong, kasi parang ang busy-busy ko, no? Hindi ko pa sila nabubuksan. So, ilagay ko muna sila dito. Hoy, Papa! What are you doing? And, eto yung mga damit ni Holly. Tatanggalan ko kasi siya ng mga tags. Kaya hindi ko pa linalagay sa ano niya sa drawers. And eto pa, oh. Diyan pa sa gilid. Tambak talaga ang aking i-unbox. Pero hindi ko yan isahan nga. Sabi ko, di ba? Hindi isahan. So, ayan. Diyan lang muna sila. Pero kailangan ko itong linisin kasi may bisita tayong darating. Sikat. Ano na ngayon? Nasabi, what date today, Han? 19? O, ano na ngayon? January 19. And si Kat pupunta dito sa 21. So, 2 araw na lang. Dito na sila. Get the box, Han. The boxes, please.
Where are they?
There. Come on.
Where?
Tuwang ko muna ng lunch yung mga bata. Linabas ko na yung gagawin kong, lulutuin kong lunch. Ito yung dinner namin, creamy garlic prawns kami. Kagabi, diba, creamy garlic sauce with steak, ngayon rice. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung lunch ng mga bata. Potato cakes and Kerensky. How many you want? How many Kerensky?
2 Kerensky's and 1 potato cake.
Okay, how about you, Zach? Potatoes?
Potato cake! 2 potato cakes and that's it.
Okay, 2 potato cakes for Hunter. How about you, Baba?
I want 2 please.
2 what?
2
I-air fry ko lang naman to.
mashed potatoes.
Mashed potato? There's no mashed potato. Potato cakes.
Yeah.
Okay, lutuan ko
I
muna
just
sila.
want 2 mashed potatoes.
Okay, okay. Ayan siya, busy siya mag-watercoloring. And yung lunch nila hindi pa luto. Nandito na yung mga boxes. And dito sa transparent, dito sa container, sa white container na to, ang nilalagay ko ay yung mga roses. Roses, tsaka itong mga malalaking, flowers. At saka yung mga iba pang mga ornaments na nabili ko sa Limain ko. So, yeah. Tapos ito, mga yan. Tapos, yung mga tissue paper, tinago ko rin kasi doon ko sila binabalot para maganda pa rin sila para next year at sa mga susunod pang taon. Yan. And etong mga to, ililipat ko to sa kwarto namin. Yes?
I want to take the tree down.
Yes. After lunch, okay? So, eto, ililipat ko to sa kwarto namin. Doon ko muna sila i-stock kasi gagamitin tong kwarto as a room. Dito, hindi ko alam kung sino dito.
Mom,
Ha?
can I keep this?
Matutulog pero
Can I
yata.
keep this?
Yeah. But put it there. Put it there because it's...
Put on that.
No, it's not Christmas anymore, Baba. Put it back there. We're gonna keep all the Christmas decor, okay? So, yeah, ilalagay ko muna to sa kwarto namin mamaya.
Wait, I want to sleep in it.
Yeah, mamaya.
I'm
Yeah.
sleeping in it.
Kinukulit na naman ako nito.
I'm gonna shut the board.
Eto, etong H&M, halos kay Holly. Ang laman niyan, isa lang yata yung sa akin. Yeah, isa lang sa akin. There's kay Holly na. And yan yung mga sa akin na. So, yeah, one day, i-haul natin yan isa-isa. Isabay ko sa mga darating na vlog. So, gawin ko na muna to. Ito yung sa mesh to eh. Dito ko linalagay. Pinapaikot ba? So, yeah. Naaamoy ko na. Check ko lang. 2 minutes na lang daw eh. Oh, look at that.
This is where I sleep.
Yum. Okay. Almost ready?
No!
I don't know. Almost. Yeah, almost ready, I said.
But can I have it, like a little bit, a little bit hot?
Alright, okay. Sige na nga. Okay na to eh. So, eto na yung lunch nila. Ayan. And si Sak, sabi ko, kumain siya ng Kerensky kahit kalahati. Silang dalawa ni Hunter. Eto, hati kami dito ni Holo kasi hindi naman tumuubos ni Holo. Eto kay Kuya. Siyempre, kay Kuya, dapat buo lahat. So, kain muna sila ng lunch. Okay, ready? Come on! Yung share ko kay Holly, binigay ko na lang kay Kuya kasi gusto niya ng Kerensky. Dalawa sanang gusto niya. Kaso, hindi pa luto eh. Eto, meron pa dito. Pag gusto niya pa lutuin ko. So, after 2 hours and 20 minutes, ayan, tapos na siya. So, isasampay ko na to. Pero bago ko siya isampay, tanggalin ko muna yung mga covers dito. Okay, wait, babe. Yung mga covers sa cushion, tapos yung couch. Kasi lalabang ko siya kasi 'di ba, sabi ko na mention ko sa inyo before na may mga spots na naman sila. So lalabang ko 'to kasi maganda yung weather sa labas, mainit and pagkatapos nilang kumain, gagawin na namin yung Christmas tree. So yan ang aking ganap today, guys. Linis, laba, tanggal ng Christmas tree. Natanggal ko na yung mga cushion covers and iloload ko muna to kasi yan naman, hindi ko naman talaga sila pinagsasabay yung yung sa couch na cover. Hindi ko sila pinagsasabay para malinis talaga siya ng mabuti. So, iload ko muna to then tanggal to after. Okay? And nandun sila. Oh. Tawas lang ng tawa. And where you going after lunch?
Chop.
What you gonna get?
Ice cream or a lolly.
Yeah, punta sila ng...
Ice cream.
Yeah, finish your lunch first and then you can have ice cream. So, iset ko lang siya sa rapid 30 minutes. Number 11. Yeah, 11. 1. So, ayan, 30 minutes. Okay na yan. Okay. So, eto na yung next kong tatanggalin. And, eto, yung kahapon na linabhan ko. Si Jan kumuha ng mga nilabhan ko kagabi. So, eto, basa-basa pa siya. So, hinang niya dito. And, ayun yung mga sinabi ko bang na naglaba ulit ako. Ayan. Tuyo na yan. So, kukunin ko yan. So, marami akong tutupiin tonight. So, yeah. Tanggalin. It's windy, but it's hot. So, ayan. Tanggalin ko muna to.
There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that
Yan, natanggal ko na yung cover sa couch. And, si Kuya. Tinulungan nila ako. And, linagay namin yung kanilang sleeping bag dito kasi para hindi ba nila ano yung tawag doon, kutkutin to. Kasi sira-sira na yan eh.
Mom, this
Huh?
is shape.
No. And Zach, this one, Zach, can you get all these pillows? Please put on top of the other pillows. Thank you. And after that, you're going to the shop. Bilhin silang ice cream. Yeah, and ako magsasampay. Okay. Watch for the cars, okay? And si Holly tsaka si Hunter ayun nagbabike. Tapos na siya
Take
magbike.
the small one. Why the small one? Because that's your special one.
Where's your helm?
Does that can come?
No, you can't come. Gusto niya makipag...
I can.
No.
That actually can.
Na. Because...
No, if you want to go to sleep, go to sleep.
Gusto niya akong patulogin para makasama siya. No, you're not.
I am.
No, Baba. You help
I'll
mommy.
just wear Dad's helmet and Hunter can wear mine.
Alright,
Hunter
okay.
can wear my helmet. I can wear
And... Oh, careful. Ang bike na gagamitin ni Hunter ay yung bike ni Holly na maliit. Okay. What do you want, Baba?
Am I allowed?
Huh?
Would I be allowed
Why?
Where,
to
Mom?
wear this?
Yeah, why not?
Daddy.
Mahangin. So, matutuyo yung aking mga nilaban. Ito, tuyo na to, oh. As in, dry na sila.
Wait, are you having...
Do you have money?
Nah, Dad will pay later.
What do you mean?
If people didn't pay and they forgot their wallet, they can pay another day or today later.
So, you're gonna go to the shop without money?
Yeah.
What you gonna say?
Every time I go, I say, but Dad will pay later.
Oh, you're gonna... Yeah? Yeah, okay, love. Mag-utang daw sila doon sa tindahan. Bayaran na lang ni Jan pag uwi niya. Kasi nasa ano, bumalik si Jan sa ano, sa ano yun, sa...
Why do I need a helmet on?
What do you call that? Sa shed, kasi may gumagawa doon na tao na naman. Hindi pa siya tapos.
Why, Holly's not coming.
I know, she's not, but I don't know why Zach putting helmet.
Well, I want her to come.
Oh, you want her to come?
No, she's too young.
Yeah.
Holly, I'll wear your helmet. Funny. Like you.
Okay. Can you get me Magnum, please? Almond. No, the almond one, please. Yeah. Thank you. Okay.
I'll give it to
I want to wear
Zach.
your
Okay. Ask the guy to give you a plastic bag so you can carry everything. So you won't drop it.
He'll give me a box.
Mom.
Okay. Okay.
Let her come. Just let her come.
No, she can't. Come on, Baba. Help mommy hang the clothes, please. What do you want, Baba? Mentos? Ito kasi si Zach. You're not allowed yet. Ikaw kasi ang may kasalanan. Okay na sana siya. It's alright, Baba. They're gonna get you ice cream. Ice cream or lollies?
Lolly or ice cream?
Ice cream.
Mom, just let her walk with her.
No, Zach. No.
Wait, what'd you say, lolly or ice cream?
Si Zach kasi gusto niya ipasama.
Holly, walk with
Okay, you walk and then you walk with her.
Yeah, Zach. You walk with her.
You're gonna wait for her.
Hey, Hunter, you want to get on Zach's
Okay?
Get on Zach's bike.
Oh, that's right. Let Holly stay here.
We will be with Holly. We're gonna slow down.
No. No, Zach. No, Zach. Go now.
Let's go
Ikaw kasi may kasalanan.
Walk with her, me. Hunter will walk like. Hunter, you want to?
Okay, go now.
Okay, he wants to use that one.
Okay.
No, Zach, you're walking. What?
See, it's your fault.
Hey, actually, Zach,
Come on, Baba.
you're starting.
I'll give you something, Baba. I'll have something for you there, Baba. Inaway niya.
Zach, you're gonna have to walk.
Galit siya sa poor mommy. Mommy by myself in the house. I'm scared.
But we will be with Holly.
Kito kasi ang kulit. Umalis na kayo.
Come on, Holly.
Go. No, she's not going, Zach.
She can't walk by herself. Zach's got to Mommy's phone.
No. Wow.
Wait,
Play
Holly,
mommy's phone.
Holly, do you want Zach to walk with you? Zach, just do it. So we can quickly go before it shuts.
Hurry up. Oh, it's your fault. She was alright, and then you're the one insisting for her to come. And now look.
Zach, you're walking. Don't need to.
No, she's not coming.
We're not going.
Alright, don't go then.
We're going.
Alright.
Haven't we all walked? No. Dad said we have to walk. No, we're not going. We're walking.
No, don't go, don't buy. No ice cream, no lollies. Go inside.
I don't want it.
Okay, let them go so they can get our ice cream.
Why can't Zach just
Parang ako lang to nung malit din ako pag umalis si Papa. Go now, hurry up.
Right, you're walking. You guys lie. We'll go walk.
No. Okay, go inside. Everyone inside. No ice cream, no lollies. Close the door. Close the door.
But then the ice cream will melt.
Okay, everyone will walk.
Can one person ride because then the ice cream will melt if we walk? No.
Si Kuya ayaw niya talaga mag-walk.
When you're holding it like this, you're allowed to drive with one hand on the main road. No, there's a bike path on the side. I know, it's always doing
Did Daddy said
Dad said walk.
with Holly? Okay, Daddy said walk with Holly. Ah, Kuya. 3 versus 1. You lost. Oh, si Sog tulugo.
Everyone said we're walking.
Oh, Kuyang-kuya talaga si Sog kay Holly. Hoy, TJ, walk.
Then I have to come home quick with the
No, walk. Tyron, or you're not having ice cream. Oh, stay there. Okay, go, you 3. Kuya will stay here with me. Hintayin lang nila si Kuya TJ. Pinagtatawanan nila. You hold Holly's hands, Kuya and Zach.
Kuya was holding me.
And you listen to them, Holly, ha?
Yeah.
Ayun na si Kuya. Sad siya kasi hindi siya mag-ride ng bike.
See ya.
See ya! Tapos na ako magsampay. Ngayon, kunin naman natin itong mga sinampay dito.
What's there to say?
Meron akong iniwan kasi eto, medyo basang konti dito at saka eto. Konti lang naman. Ayan, dito. Part na to. Tsaka eto. So, ayan. Dami ko nang tupiin. Tapos na to. Ayan na natin siya. And next na natin yung cover sa couch. Oops. And sinabay ko na rin yung maliliit na cushion. Binalik ko kasi i-ano ko siya, i-spin and drain para matuyo agad talaga siya. Number 14. Ayan. 10 minutes. Okay. Dito na sila.
Oh, Mom, there's no almonds. We got you the classic.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Peppermint.
Okay. What did you eat? What did you get? What's that?
Not the same.
Oh,
Very icy cold.
okay. Si Kuya, what's that?
Fish.
Feast. Why you have two, Baba?
Oh, she copied me.
You're lucky. So, ito, ilagay ko muna sa freezer kasi kakain ako ng lunch.
I never tried it before.
Really?
Yes.
Will you behave?
Yep.
Oh, good. Ilagay ko muna to sa freezer kasi kakain muna ako ng lunch, diba? Ako na talaga yung sabi ko magda-diet pero ayan, magmamagnum pa. Eto, meron pa akong tirang beef steak so mag-rice ako. Rice pa more. And hindi pa ako nakapag-ride ng bike kanina kasi nga, diba, nandito si Dad, tapos si Hunters. So sabi ko, baka mamayang hapon, sana mamayang hapon makapag-ride ako kahit 15 or 20 minutes. So tingnan na lang natin. So kain muna ako, pero lagay ko muna to sa freezer para hindi siya matunaw. Hindi pa ako tapos kumain, pero narinig ko na yung washing. Tapos na siya. Ayan. Ayan, tapos na siya. And, ay, bakit ko enough? Magluluto pa pala ako. Ha? So, sampay ulit. Pero bago ako magsampay, i-load ko muna yung sa couch. Yung mga to ba. And si Holly, dinala niya talaga to dito. Lagay ko muna to dyan. And, load ulit. Nasa labas yung mga bata. Okay na siya. Meron siyang detergent and naglagay akong vanish. Tapos ito yung softener. So okay na to. And close. On. And iset ulit natin siya sa number 11. 30 minutes lang siya. And okay. Alright. Okay na siya. And eto, isampay ko na to. Sampay ulit tayo. And syempre, yung ating sombrero. And andun sila sa sa trampoline. And sinet ni Kuya yung sprinkler sa doon ba sa ilalim. Tapos binabaril-baril ni Kuya ng tubig. O, diba? Enjoy na enjoy sila ngayon sa weather. Kasi mainit yung weather, although mahangin, mainit yung weather. Malulobat na ako. Palit muna ako ng battery kasi na siya, nagpa-flash na siya. Hindi pa ako kumain. Andito sila, nagre-refill si Kuya ng tubig. And si Holly, ayun, meron din siyang baril-barilan. Water gun, baril-barilan, water gun. Sampay ulit tayo! Tapos na ako magsampay and andito sila, nagre-refill sila ng tubig. And si Sak, ayun.
Mano.
Sa trampoline. Okay, kain muna ako. Kain muna ako habang sila ay naglalaro kasi marami pa akong gagawin. Wow, si Sak! Go, Sak! One more!
Judy!
Yes, yes. Oh my God. Okay, that's it. Allah. So, pagpapatuloy ko na yung kinakain ko. And, eto yung aking tea. Tina, lagi ako nagtitilagi. Ayan. And, nanonood ako ng Korean drama habang kumakain. So, kain muna ako. Ayan, nakapag-shower na sila. Tapos na sila maglaro sa labas. And, ako i-check ko na yung aking niload na cover sa couch. Hindi pa. 4 minutes pa pala to. 4 minutes pa siya. Hinintay ko yung nilalabhang ko. Tanggalin ko na to si Santa Claus sock. And eto, tanggalin ko na to. And eto. Okay. And eto, yung mga yan, tanggalin ko na rin. Tapos na siya mag-shower. Did you have fun outside? Binihisan ko lang siya. And
But the boys keep scolding me.
you had fun there with them.
But it's freezing.
Ano is ang tubig kasi dito sobrang lamig.
I'm itchy.
You're itchy? Well, here?
Yep, up here.
Okay, narinig ko na yung washing. Tapos na siya. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh, brush your hair first. Okay, wait lang. And etong mga yan, ilalagay ko na yan sa box. Tapos sampay, and then, eto na talaga ang next. Suklayan ko lang to si baby girl. You look pretty na, Papa.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Okay. Itago ko na tong mga ano, tas magsasampay ulit ako. Ayan, off. And magsampay ulit tayo. So, magsampay ulit ako. And, after nito, gagawin ko na yung Christmas tree. And, ayan sila. Nandito sila sa loob. Nag-watch na ng cartoon. And, kumakain ulit sila. Yes? Okay. We're gonna do the Christmas tree after I hang this, okay?
Does everyone have to do it?
Yep. Tapos na ako magsampay. And eto, kukunin ko na sana kaso basa pa kasi medyo makapal to. And eto din, basa-basa pang konti. And same dito. So, hindi ko pa sila makukuha. And eto, yeah, hindi pa ganun katuyo. So, hayaan ko muna sila dito. Ngayon, punta tayo sa loob para asikasuhin ko na yung Christmas tree para matanggal na yun. Yun naman talaga ang plano eh. Nailagay ko na dito yung tinanggal ko dun sa sala. Ayan na siya. And ngayon, tinanggal ko na rin yung iba. Eto, itatapon ko na to kasi may punit na sila. Tapon na yan. So, mag-start na kami magtanggal ng mga ornaments. So, ano ko na lang kayo, ita-timelapse ko na lang kayo. Si Kuya, inaayos niya yung mga laruan ni Holly. That's the cover for the casserole. That one, Kuya. Okay. So, gawin na namin to para matapos na kasi magluluto pa ako ng dinner. Oy, sak.
Yes.
Naghaharutan naman kayo. When you remove it from the tree, you have to be gentle and pass it to me. Okay?
Yeah.
Kasi babalutin ko yan sa nandito yung mga tissue paper niyan. Yeah. Oops.
I'm gonna go get
Huh? Okay. Can you get all the silver in here? This one, Sak, this one. You have to put it here.
Mom, I'm gonna go get drink.
Okay. Huh?
Hunter need to come?
Let Hunter watch the TV.
Why?
Because he's on vacation, okay?
Mom, I want him to help.
Oh, that one, no, it's not. No. Give it to me kasi babalutin ko to ng, eto ba, yung, eto sa Christmas tree to. Eto yung pambalot na sa Christmas tree. Nandito yung mga, eto ba, tissue paper. And eto sa mesh to eh. I-roll ko dyan mamaya. So, i-timelapse ko kayo para matapos na to agad. Baba, be gentle please.
What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moonlight that never shows. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time. Would you have stayed if I had been honest with you from this?
Ayan, nabalot na namin lahat ng mga ornament.
Finish. We're finished. Guys, see ya. Thank you.
See you, thank you. So, eto na lang naman, yung mga, eto yung mga, bye Kuya, thank you. Christmas lights, tapos etong mesh. So, yan. And eto, nandyan na yung iba. Okay, malapit na matapos.
From the start, don't say it's okay if I'm falling and you're running away. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows.
Na-lowbat ako, pero ayan, natanggal ko na yung mesh at saka yung Christmas lights. And si Jan ang bahala niyan, siya nang magliligpit niyan. And ngayon, magluluto muna ako ng dinner ng mga bata kasi alas 6 na. Then after, balik ulit ako dito kasi yan, liligpitin ko na lang naman, madali na lang yan. And eto, kinuha ko, diba, kinuha to ni Holly dito. So yeah, magluto muna ako, then later on, balikan ko sila. Kasi yung mga bata, gutom na, alas 6 na. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Luto muna ako. Kasi ang request nila, rice, tsaka scrambled eggs. Kasi yun ang gusto ni
I want
Hunter.
sunny side up, please.
You want sunny side up?
Yeah.
And ito yung sa amin nga, yung creamy garlic prawns. Alam nyo ba, nakalimutan kong kumuha ng rice nung pumunta kami sa Adelaide. Ito na lang yung natira sa jasmine rice ko. Oh, hala, hindi na to kasya. May bisita pa naman tayong parating. Kuha na lang muna ako siguro sa ano. Saan pa ba? Siyempre sa coast. And ito yung gusto ko. Aside sa Thailand na brand na jasmine rice. Etong dragon fish ng Cambodia. Masarap siya kasi buhaghag. So magsaing muna ako. Hala, kunti na lang talaga to. Saing muna ako ng rice kasi gutom ng aking mga alaga. So ito yung request ng boys. Except kay kuya. Ito yung scrambled eggs. Kay kuya ano, sunny side up eggs. And eto na rin yung shrimp. Niluluto ko na rin siya. So, yung kanin kumukulo na.
From the start, don't say it's okay if I'm falling and you're running away. You're the
What are you doing, Hunter boy? Holly girl?
Luto na yung ating creamy garlic prawns. And in-Instagram ko to. So, ayan. And yung eggs, luto na kanina pa. So, patayin na natin yung kanyang heat. Okay. So, eto na yung request nilang eggs. Kay Sakto, eto kay Holly, and kay Hunter. And kay Kuya, sunny side up eggs, pero dapat luto yung yolk. Yun. Andito na yung girl, yes?
Done now.
Yes, baby. I saw you riding your bike so fast with the boys. Did you win? Yeah, almost ready. So, ready na yung food nila. Ito yung kay Jan, creamy garlic prawns with rice. And ayan kay Sak, kay Kuya, Hunter, and Holly. Tawagin ko na sila. So, kain muna kami, guys. Kain. So, yung mga boys, si Kuya tsaka si Hunter nagugas. Ha? Yeah, eto nakahugas. We'll see if you are behave. Si John, ready niya na yung table. Yes, Baba? Here's your Baba. No, that's Kuya Hunter.
Oh, Kuya Hunter? No, that's Hunter.
Kuya, that's Kuya.
Oh, wow, thanks, guys.
You're welcome, my fly. Ayan, Kuya. Si Hunter. Kutsara. Ha? No, that's Hunter. Here, yeah. Simple lang yung dinner nilang request. Are you here?
I want prawns, please.
Gusto niya raw. You too?
I make a ray for it.
Okay.
Can you cut that on tail?
There's no tail.
Yes, there is. The shell bit. The shell tail.
Okay.
Get a snack of yours. I know.
Uy, Baba. You're good now, Baba.
No,
Okay.
that's just one.
Oh, how many you want?
I'll just give me that one.
Oh my God. 5. Just 2. Okay, here. Finish that.
Mine.
Oh, wala. Isak muna.
I just want one.
Okay, here.
Thank you.
Welcome. Come on, Holly. Gusto niya pa raw ng isa. 5 pala hinihingi niya. Tiran mo naman yung nagluto. Okay. Here you go, Baba. Oh, careful. Ha?
One more.
One more?
Remember when the
If it tastes good though,
Pardon?
if it tastes good, I'll eat it all.
Of course, it tastes good. Okay? Ano sabihin? Welcome.
milk order.
Patapos na si John.
So why don't you add some milk?
Hindi siya gumagamit ng fork pag kumakain siya ng kanin. Pag binibigyan ko siya, sabi niya, hindi niya raw kailangan. Ano?
So like a restaurant.
Like a restaurant? Wow! Nag-request niya ulit yung creamy garlic. Kahapon nag-creamy garlic sauce siya sa steak. Ngayon naman sa rice. Hala, malaki na han. It's big. It's not muscle.
It is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
How about mine? How about mine? What is it? What is it? Big. Iba siya kumain. What did you say? You eat the egg first, then rice last? Is that how you eat it? At home? Okay, kasi sabi ni Jan.
I eat all the adding food.
Mom,
Okay, Kuya, that's too much of salt.
I love it.
What? Tingnan mo, hindi niya ginagamit. Use this one. Okay. How about you, Baba? How's my garlic prawns? Good. Balik na ako dito sa aking... Oh, ayan na si Jan. Inaano niya na yung Christmas tree. Then, magva-vacuum. And then, maglalagay ng... Ano pa ba? Ayan, ipuput away niya na yan tonight. Ilalagay niya na yan sa shed. Are you alright, Aunt? Ano? Sobrang higpit yung pagkalagay niya ng ano. Yung nuts. Or whatever you call that. Okay. Yung kumot namin to na hindi naman namin ginagamit. Ginawa na namin ano, pambalot sa Christmas tree. Ayan, vacuum. Ang daming nalaglag ng mga ano, mga yamba. Ayan sa Christmas tree. So, okay. Hirap na hirap siya. Oh. Life is hard, Han? Ha? Ha? Tinatry niyang higpitan. Okay, one more. O, diba? May lalagyan yan, kaso napunit na. Sa tagal ba naman yan? Matanda pa ata yan kay Kuya or magkasing edad lang sila ni Kuya. Kuya TJ. Diba? Thanks! Ayan, mag-vacuum na ako. Maglinis na ako dito.
Hey, there's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we
Kunin muna namin yung mga sinampay kasi lumalamig na sa labas. Ganda na siya. Ba't may parang ano? Okay. Is it dry? It's just cold. Kasi malamig na eh. Anong oras na? 7:30 na. Pero may araw pa. Pero malamig na yung hangin. So, kunin na namin to.
change, but it feels kind of
Tapos na namin. Kunin lahat ng mga sinampay. Okay, see. Punta siya sa shed kasi ilalagay niya. Okay. Yeah. Lalagay niya yung Christmas decor sa shed. Thank you. Inutusan ko silang tatlo na i-pick ba yung mga ano ng Christmas tree kasi hindi siya mabavacuum.
Because they're
Yeah.
coming in 2 days.
Yeah, it's alright.
Yes, it is 4 days. No,
When are you going back to Adelaide?
it said Sunday.
Sunday? Okay.
Tuesday today.
Okay. Who's gonna bring you back home?
Yesterday I'm like, wow.
Han, who's gonna bring you back home? Pa?
But he's here by
Siya lang ang nandito, yung parents niya nasa Adelaide. Nagbakasyon lang siya dito kila dad. At saka dun sa isa niya pang lolo. Thanks!
You're welcome. Welcome with Dad.
Bago ako mag-vacuum dun sa, sa kwarto ni Holly. Film ko muna sila kasi ayan, naglalaro sila. I mean, nagra-ride sila ng bike. Go, Baba. Tingnan niyo si Holly. Ang galing-galing niya na talaga. Nakikipag, ano na nga siya, karera. Wow. Oh, careful. Go, Baba. Sisak gamit niya yung bisikleta ni Holly. Holly, don't run there, Baba. You don't run there when they're riding a bike. Pag ikaw... Malamig yung hangin, pero hindi sila nilalamig kasi team nyo naman. Holly, you don't run, okay? Don't run. Just ride your bike. You don't run. Just watch for Holly, boys, okay?
Watch me. What? Holly's trying.
Okay. Ay, ang lamig. You're not cold? Go! Tingnan mo si Holly. Go, Holly, go! Go, Holly, go! Go, Holly, go, 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 go! Yay! He's the judge. Hunter is the judge? You're a commentator? Okay. Commentator daw siya. Okay, go, Baba! Go, Baba! Yan. Pakinggan si Hunter. Parang horse lang ni Dada. Ala, ala, ala. Go, Baba! Around the corner. Holly, I said no running, Baba. Yeah, Kuya won. Yes, yes.
I couldn't pedal.
Why?
Because Holly's brown. Chain's broken. I can't really move.
No, it doesn't matter.
It does matter.
No, you didn't. Kuya TJ won. Don't pull that one.
I did win.
No. Okay, pasok na ako.
Guess what?
Mhm.
I'm coming this way. Pedal just, and it wouldn't work, and it just went.
Okay, I'm gonna go inside now because I'm gonna vacuum the Holly's room. Yes, let the Hunter.
That's the commentator this time.
Commentator naman daw si Sak. Pero pasok na ako kasi marami pang gagawin. Marami akong tupiin. Dami ko pang gagawin. See ya! See ya! Don't run, okay? Just ride your bike, please. Boys, watch for Holly, ha? Hunter? Hunter, watch for Holly. TJ, Zachary, please. 10:30 na and nakapaghugas na ako and nalinis ko na rin yung yung kwarto ni Holly. I mean, na-vacuum ko na siya. Ayan. Ayan, na-vacuum ko na. And yun, hindi ko pa siya nailalagay doon sa kwarto. Pero ayan, malinis na dito. And nilagay na rin namin ni Jan yung nilabang kong bedsheets. Yung ano na lang, yung sa couch, tsaka yung mga tupi nang hindi ko na nagawa. So, next time na lang. Nandito sila, oh. Tingnan nyo sila. Nanonood sila. What are you watching?
Try not to laugh.
Try not to laugh.
Impossible.
Impossible. Okay guys, i-close ko na yung vlog kasi maliligo pa ako. Ang mga bata nakaligo na yan. You're hungry again, my God. Okay, let's go.
Shopping tomorrow.
Yeah.
Mom, can you get the?
Yeah,
Can you get
okay.
the Arnott's Mom, can you get the Arnott's raspberry shortcake? My
Okay.
favorite. Oh, my
Alright. Okay, let's close the vlog first. Okay, thank you. Yeah, close. We're gonna. Oh.
You know those sprinkles? They're on the biscuit.
Alright guys, I'm
That's on
gonna.
the biscuit.
Okay, okay, okay.
I want that.
Okay, let's close the vlog. Thank you guys. Okay, close the vlog. Sad.
Please like, God, you haven't yet. See you on the next vlog.